So this is a quick video of how to ship things from Amazon directly to your house in Jamaica or wherever you choose in Jamaica. So I've already set up an address that reflects the 876 area code. Selected Jamaica as the country. I will put a clip to show you the setup of what I did basically and the steps before you reach right here, or you can do it after you're checking out. So now let me show you. Let's say I'm going to click on this. So this is free international delivery on orders. Please note orders of the value of 35 US or more. Okay, so I've already selected the delivery address, right? I'm going to show you now. So let's say you want some kitchen utensils. So let's say kitchen essentials, right? Okay, so I'm going to dismiss this. So let me point something out to you, right? So you'll see free delivery, right, to Jamaica. You see that, or you'll see free delivery on $35 of eligible items, right? Let me show you something else. Alright, let me use this. Alright, so if you see just a regular delivery to Jamaica, it may apply shipping fee. So let's click on this one. So as you can see, it didn't have any free delivery or anything. It's because you're going to pay $29.73 for shipping. Point to note that once the order is under 100 USD, there will be no duty charges from custom. Okay, so if you see this is not a free shipping any at all. All right, so let's go back. Let's click on this one. So it's a free delivery, right? So as you realize, no import charges because of the price is $60, and it's free shipping to Jamaica. So that's going to add to cart just for demonstration's sake. And let's go back. So I'm going to use this as well, because this is under $35, but once the order itself is 35 or more, the order will become free shipping. Alright, so let's do that. Add to cart. This is another way to filter your search. So when I type in kitchen essential, or side note, you click on this, you click on this, and then you tap this. Okay, so let's do that. When you click on that, it filters and you show what can be shipped here for free. So then if you scroll and get disappointed, you just filter it from the beginning, so you know what can be shipped for free. Okay, so let us see what's in the cart. Alright, so you will see your order qualifies for free shipping, and you can also shop for more items by clicking this link. So when you proceed to check out, this is it now. You're going to need to put your ID. So the ID is either your passport or your TRN, or you can use your driver's license since the TRN is on the driver's license. But I'm going to skip for now for demonstration purposes. But you definitely need this, right, to avoid any delays or anything. So this is where it's telling you the that there will be a delay. You may have a delay if you do upload your ID. Okay. All right. So as you see that normally the shipping and handling will be this amount, but because it's free shipping, it cancels back out. So your order will be just as what the cost of the item will be. So if I place the order today, I will get it May the 14th. Bear in mind that I've received packages where it arrived before the estimated date of delivery. So this is an estimate, right? It can come earlier. Okay. If any other questions, you can leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to address it.